feel the heat begin to rise.
Hi, can you have a cappuccino, please?
Sure, is that all she is?
That's all, thank you.
So feels like a ooh, ooh, and
Call, John.
feels like a ooh,
Yeah, I'm heading to the station now.
want to accelerate. Want to accelerate. Want to accelerate.
Introducing Hero Plus LCD, our newest entry-level GoPro camera. Hero Plus LCD packs the all-in-one awesome of the Hero camera plus touch display convenience, built-in Wi-Fi, and more. So you can capture incredible moments and relive them on the spot. The touch display makes for easy shot framing, so you know you nailed the shot. You can also play back videos or view photos on the camera and tap your way to the settings you want. Hero Plus LCD's rugged waterproof design is built to withstand dirt, sand, water, and nearly anything else you can throw at it. Surf, snow, pets or kids, whoever you love, and whatever you love to do, you'll have a camera that can capture it all. Hero Plus LCD features the same immersive 1080p 60 and 720p 60 video that made GoPro famous. Want to capture photos? You'll also get 8 megapixel photo capture for time-lapse, burst photos, and individual stills. On the convenience front, Quick Capture powers up your GoPro and starts recording with the press of a single button. And Highlight Tag lets you mark key moments during recording and playback, so you'll be able to find your best footage quickly. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you connect to the GoPro app and smart remote. You can use the app for easy shot framing, total camera control, and sharing on Facebook, Instagram, and more. Want to share your favorite shots on the fly? Hero Plus LCD lets you create and save short highlight clips and video stills right on the camera, then share them using the GoPro app. You can also save them to your computer and use GoPro Studio to combine them and create a killer edit from home. Hero Plus LCD is compatible with most GoPro mounts, opening up a world of possibilities. With a waterproof, all-in-one design, touch display convenience, and built-in Wi-Fi, Hero Plus LCD will help you capture your next adventure. Frame your favorite shots and relive the journey from wherever you are. So, where will you take yours?
Gracias por ver este video, apóyanos suscribiéndote al canal, activa las notificaciones, dándole a la campanilla, si lo deseas, deja tu opinión en los comentarios, pronto más videos de grandes ideas y proyectos.